We are making a vegan pulao. The ingredients are 1 240 ml cup of basmati rice. I washed the rice 4 times, then soaked it in tap water for about 30 minutes, after which I drained the rice in this colander. 1 carrot, 60 grams, cut into quarters and then diced. Half a green capsicum cut into strips and then diced. Ten sweet peas, 150 grams of cauliflower cut into florets. One medium-sized potato cut into finger shapes and then diced. One 180 grams of kidney beans from a tin. These are the vegetables and the protein in the form of the kidney beans for the vegan pulao. 3 green bird's eye chilies and 3 red bird's eye chilies chopped. Two medium-sized onions sliced. Let's first prepare the rice. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the pan on a medium heat. I've just added whole spices in the form of some cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. I then added the rice to the spices after that. Let's stir to combine the rice with the fragrant whole spices and coconut oil. We'll fry this for about 2 minutes. It's gone 2 minutes, so let's turn off the gas. Let's now remove the rice from the wok and keep it aside to cool. Here is the rice made fragrant for the pulao. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the wok. I've just added 2 bay leaves. The flame is at medium. The onions go in next. Let's saute the onions for 1 minute. Add the bird's eye chilies and saute the ingredients together. The ginger garlic paste goes in next. Let's now saute the ginger garlic paste until it loses its raw smell. The ginger garlic is fragrant now, so let's add all the vegetables. The potato, the carrot, the green capsicum, the cauliflower and the sweet peas. they all go in. This is so delightfully colorful. Let's turn the flame to low and add the masala powders. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon meat curry powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Now let's roast these powders on a low flame. We just need to roast the masala powders. We don't need to cook the vegetables. The vegetables will be cooked with the rice. When you smell the fragrance of the roasted masala powders, add the basmati rice to the vegetables. Stir until everything is combined well and then turn off the flame. Now add salt to taste and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. After that, combine the ingredients and then transfer them into a rice cooker for cooking. Transfer the rice and vegetables into the rice cooker. Then level off the ingredients. Then pour 100 ml of coconut milk that has been diluted with 250 ml of water. If the coconut milk mixture is not enough, add water to just about cover the rice. I'm adding a little extra water because I don't want the rice to be dry. I want it moist because we are having it as a 100% vegan meal. That means we are not having this pulao with raita made with yogurt. We will be having it with some onion slices and papadum. So I need the rice to be moist. If you are not having this pulao as a vegan meal, then you can add water to just about cover the rice. Adding the kidney beans now. I didn't add the kidney beans earlier because being from a can, they are soft and I didn't want them to break up. Gently spread the kidney beans over the rice. Then add 4 drops of kevra water. This is a bottle of kevra water. You can buy it from any Indian grocers. If you do not have kevra water, I believe you can substitute it with pandan essence, but I don't know because I've not tried that yet. Let's mix the kevra water into the water, but let's be careful so as to not break the kidney beans. Let's now switch on the rice cooker and leave the pulao to cook. The vegan pulao is now done. Let's now give it a stir. As you can see, the pulao is moist. We'll now add up to a 1/4 cup of fried onions. These fried onions are store-bought. We'll also add some mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Let's now fold in the fried onions, the mint leaves and the coriander leaves into the pulao. I'm going to now leave the pulao uncovered for it to dry out a little. Delicious vegan pulao with vegetables, made in coconut oil and coconut milk. Enjoy! Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you, stay safe and bye.